Assalamualaikum and hello. Let's continue with the chemical test, specifically about iodoform tests. So iodoform can be used to identify the alcohols that contain methyl carbinol group, or there is a presence of methyl carbinol group. So what is methyl carbinol group? I'm going to explain to you. This is the general one for methyl carbinol group, where I got carbon attached to OH group and attached to methyl. So methyl for this one, CH3, and carbinol means that you got carbon with OH group. So it's still an alcohol. So carbinol, and you got hydrogen. Same goes for this carbon we are talking about. And the last one, it bonded to another alkyl group. So this is what we call as methyl carbinol group. If your alcohol contains methyl carbinol group, it means that that alcohol can show positive result for iodoform test. Let's try two different structure of alcohols here. I got on my left is this structure where my carbon that contain OH group is this one. So I'm going to write down this one as first carbon, second and third. So at the first carbon, you can see I got OH group, and I got methyl here, and I got hydrogen here. So this is what we call as methyl carbinol group. Okay, I hope you can see that. And this CH2, CH3 is my alkyl group. Now, let's focus at my right side. So I can see that I got my OH group is here attached to this carbon. So we are talking about this carbon. This one is my first carbon. And my first carbon, I got methyl. So still looks good. And after that, I got alkyl group here. This is my R. And the last one, I got OH group here. So another hydroxyl. What is the difference here? It is not hydrogen. Here it must be hydrogen, but here it is hydroxyl group. So can I show positive result for iodoform test by using this structure? No, I cannot consider this one as methyl carbinol group. So you can see that on the left it can, on the right it cannot. So I hope you are clear how to identify the structure that has methyl carbinol group. Now we will focus to the general chemical equation. So in order for you to write the chemical equation, you have to know the reagents and conditions involved in this iodoform test. So the reagent for this one is iodine in NaO, or OH minus. So I'm going to show based on NaO and OH minus. So the first one is I got my alcohols with the presence of methyl carbinol group. This is what I'm talking about, this group. And after that, it reacts with iodine plus I2. On the top of the arrow is NaO. So what will happen, you will form this carbon that has alkyl group, stay as it is, and the next one, hydrogen from OH and hydrogen from here, you have to take it out. So you will form double bond here, and the bond for CH3 will be bonded to O minus and A plus CHI3, and this is the precipitate, and this precipitate is what we call as Triodo Methane, because you got 3 iodo attached to one carbon, methane. And this triiodomethane is what can be used to indicate the observation, which is yellow precipitate form. So this is what will happen for your positive result of iodoform test. The next one, same goes for second equation if you want to use OH minus. So right now, what will happen? You will make it stay for carbon with alkyl group, and that carbon you have to take out hydrogen from OH and hydrogen attached to this carbon, and next one form the double bond, and your CH3 you are going to change with O minus. And here the difference is you don't have to put an A plus because we just use OH minus. So this is the different thing that I want to emphasize here if you use NaO or you use OH minus. But the side product must be CHI3. Same goes for the top and the bottom equation. And please indicate whether you want to put the arrow goes down, or you can write it down as solid phase, because this is the yellow precipitate, your observation that you have to observe for positive iodoform test. So if you want to write down the negative result for the equation, you have to write down as usual, but at the product side just put no observable changes. So I hope all of you understand how to identify the methyl carbonyl group in the structure of your alcohols, and you understand how to write the equation for iodoform test where we use reagent I2 in NaO or OH minus. And please remember, we have to show CHI3 as my side product. This is the observation for the yellow precipitate. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.